So it's 11:30 a.m. in the morning on April 19th. We are 5 days away from the DSEs, boys. 5 days away. Um, what am I gonna do? Uh, I'm gonna be honest here. I woke up at 9 a.m., but I was so friggin' tired. So I was like, I'm gonna give myself a little more time. So I actually woke up at like 10:30-ish. So that's not a little more time. But I think I can handle it. I don't know. I don't actually know. But I'm gonna separate a day into three sections: the morning section, the afternoon section, and then the evening section. So right now I'm at the morning section and I want to complete chemistry postmark 4 and then Chinese 2017 electives and chemistry 2017 electives and Chinese writing for the morning section today. And I don't know if I can do that, but I have to finish the chemistry no matter what. And I'm gonna do another chemistry paper tonight because it's scheduled. So, and I'll try my best to do the Chinese writing. If not, I'll I'll figure something out, you know. But yeah. I also corrected my postmark too, and not terrible. I actually so for the MCs, I got 23 out of 36. Not that ideal, whatevs. And for long questions, I actually got 61 out of 84, which is not bad. And for overall, I got an 84 out of 120, which is exactly 70%, which is pretty good. I mean, I'll take it any day. I'll take it any day. Anyways, I'll do the 2017 electives right now, and I will do the Chinese writing sometime later. But I will for sure finish the writing today. I did not expect this. I was on full speed mode, and I finished an entire paper 2 in 25 minutes. Hallelujah. This is the industrial chem part, and this is the friggin' analytical chem part. I finished the whole thing in 25 minutes. Hip hip hooray. I'm gonna correct my postmark 4 later when I'm on the computer, and I'm also gonna take some time off for Chinese writing right now. Gotta eat lunch. It's 1:50. Yay. All this for a maths paper. And boom. Anytime now. Anytime now. Alright. And boom. There we go. 20 pieces of A4 paper. So I just spent a long time printing and I printed out Maths Trial 2, papers 1 and 2, and Chemistry Postmark 6, papers 1A and 1B, and that took me 20 A4 pages, 20 blank A4 pages, and for each piece of blank A4 paper, I printed 4 pages of material here, and yeah, I'm gonna start doing Trial Exam 2, the whole thing, with the MCs and the long questions. I'm gonna do the long questions first, and I'm gonna time it as well. Yay! Okay, this is good. Alright, I've already finished 1 and 2A. Now 2B, I gotta factorize this. So now it becomes this minus a minus b, so it's a minus b minus 1. Boom. Amazing. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna have to do this so that you guys can see me. Alright, make y the subject of the formula, this thing, so x minus 2 over y equals to 3 over z. So now it's a xy minus 2y 3 minus z. Y is the, oh my goodness, y is the formula. So 3y zxy minus 2z, and then zxy minus 3y plus 2z, and then y equals zx minus 3 2z, and then y equals 2z over zx minus 3. Boom. Next one, solve the compound inequality x is bigger than negative 3, or well, someone already solved that. So all right. Crap. X is bigger than negative 3 at least, and then this thing, so oh my gosh, shit. So x squared negative 3x negative 4x is a negative 7x plus 12 is bigger than 10. So this thing minus 2, and then we got the calculator here, so it's 1 negative 7 negative 2, so it's 1 negative 7 negative 2. Wait, did I do something wrong again? Okay, I feel like I'm doing something wrong. I gotta check this. 12 4 3. Okay. What the heck? Wait a second. 1 negative 7 negative 2. Are they fractions? They're not fractions. What the fuck? Do I need to? Okay. Okay. Shoot. Okay, negative b negative 7 4 ac over, do I need to do this? This is weird. Okay, so 7 squared minus 4 1 negative 2 57. All right, 57 over 2. So we got again 7.27. So negative 0.27, 7.27, and it's smaller than 0, so somewhere in between. So this thing is either bigger than negative oh my goodness, better than 7 this thing over 2, or 7 plus over 2. I feel like I'm doing something really wrong. Okay, so now it's this thing is bigger than negative 3 at least, but it's an OR, so shoot, it's bigger than negative 3, so I'd say the at the end it's still, this thing is at least negative 3, and yeah, or oh no, actually this thing is bigger than this. No wait, never mind, duh, still negative 3. And then least positive integer satisfying this is 1. I don't know. This is weird. I think I'm doing it wrong. I don't know. The total price of an apple and 3 oranges is 20. Okay, let price of apple and orange be this one and this one. Fuck it, respectively. And then I gotta do this. Okay, so price of an apple and 3 oranges is $20. No, oh my goodness, what am I doing? I'm so rusty. While the total price of an orange and 2 apples is this thing. Right, so from 2, O equals to 18 minus 2A. So A plus 3, 18 minus 2, A equals to 20, A equals 2. Okay, shoot, now I gotta do this. 3 times 18, 54, 54 minus 6A, so, oh my goodness, 20 minus negative, 20 minus 54 over negative, what the frick, 68, I think it's 68, I don't know. So if A is 68, 4.4, there we go. So O equals to 18 minus 2, 68, so 4.4, O equals to 4.4, so, okay, so total price, there's another question going on, what the hell, total price of 2 apples and 3 oranges, 2 apples, 203, 26.8, boom. Unit. Fucking hell. Alright. Bank A offers simple interest rate of R% per annum. Marry 25,000 in the bank in 3 years. We'll get a bank of 3 years. Find the value of R. So 29875 equals to 25,000 times 1 plus R% 3, so R will be, alright, 2,875 over this thing, right, and then this thing, and then minus 1, so the R is, I think, 6.12, 6.12, yeah, probably, right. Because, okay, so I'm gonna do this again. So this thing, percent, plus 1, cubit, times this thing, boom, alright, so R is 6.12, I'm pretty sure of that. Now, for B, Bank B offers an interest rate of this per annum compounded monthly, what the frick? If Mary wants to deposit, the manager can receive more interest over 3 years, which branch you can use. Okay, so 3 years in Bank B. Is 2,000 R compounded monthly. Oh, shoot. I'm gonna do this, and then this equals to, yep, so R, again, R is 6.12 minus 0.5 percent plus 1. Oh shit, I'm going insane. This thing over 12, and then 3 times 12 again. Right, so let's start over. this thing minus 0.5% over 12, and then plus 1, and then to the power of 36, and then times this thing equals to 29580. Because 29580 is still smaller than 29875, she should choose bank A. Okay, I have finished these. I have done these, and then these, and I've finished this, which is relatively easy. I don't know why it's so hard at first, but it's getting easier and easier. Question 13 out of 19. When fx is divided... Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Not one of these questions again! Alright, I pretty much gave this one up. Question 14 looks like way easier. Given that the mode is 65, then I guess A is 5. What is B? What the heck? Duh, I was so stupid. B is 0. Of course. What else would it be? Alright. Find the mean and standard. Here we go. Mode 4. Here we go, boys. 51, 52, 53, 53, 56, 56, 57, 59, 59, 61, 61, 62, 62, 65, 65, 65, 70, 70, 71, 72, 20, mean 61. Thank you. I don't need to write down the friggin' formula, right? I don't need to. Okay. SD 6.39. All right, I took a little bit rest, gave myself a nice little glass cup of yogurt, and let's continue with question 16. In a group of 10 students, oh, probability, hell yeah. Okay, so 10 students, 4 of them are A, rest are B, so 6. 4 students are randomly selected from the group. Find the probability that at least 3 students from the school are selected from school A. At least 3, so 3 and 4. So, this is fun. Oh, crap. I forgot to write this. At least 3 students from A. Right? And then, whatever, equals. Okay, this is fun, right? 10, I need to select 4. So 10, 4. And then from 4, I either select 3 here, and then 1 there, or 4 here, 0 there. So 4C3, 6C1, 4C... I'm so rusty right now. 4C0 over only 25, what the heck? 5 over 42. Okay, this is fun. It is known that there are only 2 girls from each group, each school in the group, so there are 10 students, and 4 is from A, and 2 girls each, so A is this, and then girl, girl, B is this, and then girl, girl. Now, exactly 3 students from A and 3 girls are selected. So, there are actually 4 ways to select 3 students in among 4 individuals, and that is 1, 2, 3, and 4. And in 2 of the 4 ways, only 1 girl is selected, and in the other 2 ways, 2 girls, both girls in A are selected. So let's say if in A only 1 girl is selected, so either this or this, then in here we need, of course, we need to pick 4 groups. So in here we need to pick only out of the 2, 1. So in 6, 1 only. What the heck am I doing? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness. Oh, then I guess I need to ignore the 1 and 2. I'm only gonna say for C3. In 4C3, we're only going to pick this, and this, and we need 1 more here, so C6, 1. And or actually no, actually only C1, 1, because there's only 1, or actually C2, 1, duh. 2C1, because among 2 you can actually pick either. Oh my goodness, not a sequence question, not this. Find A. So, I feel like I'm pushing myself too hard. So I have decided to not do the Maths Trial 2 Paper 2, the MCs. I'm gonna do it tomorrow. It's not like maths is the first subject in the entire DSE cycle, of course. Chemistry is the first subject, so we gotta put chemistry as our priority. So even if I don't do the Maths Paper 2, I estimate that today I'm going to study for 8 hours, which is pretty good. 1/3 of the whole day. 1/3 sleeping, 1/3 studying, and 1/3, other stuff. Eating, resting. I want to finish up Chinese writing right now because I'm gonna have dinner like an hour later, but I still haven't finished this one, and it's extremely tough. Or maybe it's just me. Maybe it's because I'm dumb. But how do you find the exact, I guess, length of each sides of a triangle with a circumcenter? To my surprise, postmark 6 is actually way easier than postmarks 4 and 2. It's actually way simpler. Like this one, and for 26 we have ammonium chlorate can decompose violently under room conditions. I see that. Oh, it's a calculation question. Alright, I know how to do this. This is easy. Alright. 0.55 grams of ammonium chlorate, which is this thing. What the heck am I doing? This thing. This is how many number of moles there is. So 5.42 nitrogen. Okay. And I should probably save this. Yep, I should probably save this at D. Alright, now we have this. Again, over 2 times 24. Again. Alright, D. Oh, the same thing. $195, and it's a B. Alright. So, two things. Right now it's already 2:30 a.m. I need to immediately go to bed. This is way off my schedule. 45 minutes late than my schedule, to be exact. Other than that, I didn't have the mood to write Chinese. So I'm gonna do it tomorrow again, postpone it again and again and again. God damn it. And then I have the Chinese reading thing. I tried to look for it in the Google Classroom and I just can't find it. I don't know why. Maybe our teacher deleted it? I don't know. I don't think that happened. I'll try to check that out again tomorrow. If not, then I'll check if I have any Chinese reading past papers that I can do. But yeah, other than that, today, even though I didn't do much for the past 3-4 hours or so, actually 3, but today is extremely productive. Probably the most productive day in like 1.5 months. I studied for 6.5 hours, roughly 6.5 hours today, and it's pretty impressive. But I can do even better tomorrow. So there's that. So right now it's 10:30 a.m. on April 20th, 420. Yay! And we are 5 days away from the ultimate exams. I did wake up 8:15 today. Even though last night, or more like this morning, I didn't sleep that early. I slept at 3 a.m., 3 something a.m. I tried, but didn't work out. So I'm gonna try to sleep even earlier today. Right now, I'm unbearably tired. So after I woke up today, okay, 8:15, I was half awake, half asleep for 1 more hour because I was just so tired. And then I had breakfast, and now we have arrived at 10:30. And from now until tonight, we have 15 hours. We have 15 hours to go. And within these 15 hours, I have 10 items, okay? 10 items to complete. Starting off in the morning section, I am going to finish up the chemistry post-mock 6, which I didn't finish yesterday because it was already late. But post-mock 6 is real easy. Another thing I'm going to do is I'm going to finish up biology 2016 long questions. And then afterwards, I am going to, do the Chinese writing. I have to do the Chinese writing. I have to. So, yeah. Let's see if I can break yesterday's record and study even more. But, yeah, I'm very sleepy and I really love living at this moment. Alright, I completed the entirety of post-mock 1, long questions. Really friggin' easy, not gonna lie. Probably the easiest one I've done so far. Yeah, really friggin' easy. It's actually kinda surprising. Kitty and Karen are identical twins. Kitty has reversed the rules on diet since her childhood. Kitty suffered from colon cancer. Why did both... What? Because it's inherited, I guess. Both sisters carry the wrong genetic sequence, which leads to colon cancer. I don't know. Different ages. What? Why did the disease... What? I guess it's because one of them... This is odd. I guess it's because one of them has stronger immune system. Yeah, well, actually, no, Kitty is more susceptible, right? Alright, right now it's 2:50 p.m. I actually wrote a couple lines on my Chinese writing, but I didn't complete it, of course, because I wasn't in the mood. And I also didn't complete biology paper 1, even though I think I did 2 big questions anyways. Right now, we're also running out of time. I want to do a few things. The first one being the Chinese reading exercise practice that I've been wanting to do for a very long time. I'm going to do that right now. And afterwards, I think I will be doing the Maths Trial 2 Paper 2, the MCs. And if I can correct it, I'll correct it ASAP real quick, 1 sec. And then afterwards, I think I'm going to do some LS, just checking them out, checking out the notes, the concepts. And afterwards, we will have dinner, and then we will be in the evening section. So this is the strats. Let's go. Small update here. I checked the schedule. The actual afternoon section schedule today is Chinese reading practice, classical Chinese 1, number 2, Maths Trial 2, paper 2, number 3, Physics 2016 long questions. I haven't finished it. I only did the first 2 long questions. And then we are going to be doing some, we need to complete the Chinese writing. And at the end, I think we have chemistry mock paper 2, which are the electives paper, which I can probably do super fast, like in 25 minutes-ish. I can complete both the analytical and the industrial chemistry bits. Now, for the classical Chinese, I don't know if I have any classical Chinese right here, but if I do, I will certainly munch on the words. Alright, so I found one Chinese classical passage that I haven't done. I actually did a little bit, but I haven't actually tried to I actually haven't completed it yet, so I'm gonna complete this. And this is said to be one of the toughest ever, so I am quite... I guess this is the only... Yeah, I guess I have to go with this first. Let's go. Actually, for this paper, 2 of the last questions are also questions where there are no specific correct answers, even though there is a structure behind how you should answer each 2 of these questions. And for other MCs I've already done before. This thing, I'm so certain. This thing I've already done before. This I've already done before. So instead of doing this, even though I spent a lot of time reading this just then, I'm gonna look at my Chinese mock itself. Question 4. Okay. Okay, we're gonna try hard. We're gonna try hard. 4x. Shoot. 4x. This thing. Wait, what the heck? This is weird. Okay, and then minus 4 plus mx plus nx equals to wait, plus 4 plus mx. Oh shoot, plus n minus 4, right? And then nx 2x plus 1 minus 4 equals to 2nx squared plus nx minus 4. So negative m equals to 2n. And then 4 plus m plus n equals to n. So 4 plus m equals 0, m equals to negative 4. So 2n equals to 2, n is 2. So this is a D. Bravo. Alright. Whoa, ho, ho, ho. Alright. Can you see what's going on? Gosh darn it. Alright, so this is x squared minus 2kx plus k equals to k squared plus 2k plus 1. And then it's shoot. What the heck? Alright, x squared minus 2kx plus k minus k squared minus 2k minus 1 equals 0. If k equals to 7, so if k equals to 7, then 1, negative 2 times 7, and then 7 minus 7 squared minus 3 times 7 minus 1. Okay, so it's 17.295. Okay, 17.295. And no, shoot, wait a second. Negative 3.295. 3.295. 3.29. Okay, shit. I'm going insane. So x equals to... What the frick? Okay, so I did a bit of an oopsie here. This should be square, so this means this should be square. This cancels out each other. It's now 0. Now let's do it all over again. 1, negative 2 times 7, and then it's negative 2 times 7 minus 1. 15, negative 1. Boom! And then it is C. Thank you. Gracias muchos. Up next, the figure following shows the y equals to negative ax squared plus x minus b, where a and b are constant. Which of the following is true? Okay, so if this is b, then this is negative b, then b has to be positive. So now it's either a or c, because both a and c, b is positive. Now is a is also positive, because the whole thing is negative and this is upside down. So a is positive, b is positive, it is a. Up next, we have a is bigger than b, bigger than 0, bigger than k, which of the following is true? 1 over a is bigger than 1 over b. I don't think so. Wrong. 1 over b is larger than 1 over k. Okay, so let's, again, 2, 3, negative 4. Let's do this. I know this is dumb. Okay, so 0.5. Yeah, duh, it's negative. Okay, so, and then AK bigger than BK. So AK is bigger than BK. Nope, wrong. So it's B only, 2 only. Solve this. Okay, I can do this. What? Alright, negative 3, 6, and then flip around, negative 2. Boom. 2x over 3 minus 1 equals 3. Okay, this thing plus 4. 2x over 3. This thing 12. 2x. X is larger than 6. So x is smaller than negative 2 and larger than 6 at the same time. So it has no solution. Right. Now, up next. Timothy buys a TV set and sells Miranda at a profit of 20%, and then Miranda sells a TV set at a loss of 10% if Paul buys a TV. Okay, wait, so X, and then with a profit of, oh, shoot. The cost is X. Let's say the cost is, yep, the cost of the thing is originally X. Now, X minus, y over x will actually y minus x equals to 20%. So this automatically makes y equals to, okay, so 0.2, okay, so 1.2x. Yep. And then Miranda sells this loss. Okay, so z minus y over y equals to 10 negative 10%. So huh yeah, so 0.1 plus 1 is 0.9, so I guess z equals to 0.9y, so z equals to 0.9 1.2x. So for 2700 over 0.9 over 1.2, 2500. I think it's a good C. If the base and the height of a right angle triangle are both increased by x%, okay, so that the area of the triangle increases 125%. Oh my goodness. Alright, so this thing over 125, over 2 equals to 125%. So 100, oh, I think I got it right. 125% minus 1, and then I gotta do this. Now, each of the x is 5, so x should be 50. X and y, okay, I know how to do this one. X plus 3z over y plus 2z is 3 over 2. Now 3y plus 6z, 2x plus 6z. So 2x equals to 3y, and then x over y equals to 3 over 2. All right. And so x is 3, y is 2. All right, so x is 3, so this thing, and then over 2x plus y. 9 to 8. This is another C. If z varies directly as the square root of x and inversely as the square of y, which of them will be constant? So z, this thing over this thing, k. So z, y must be together. Okay. And so it's either B or D. Now, if x is squared, then y needs to be hypercubed. So, if this thing's squared, okay, so I think it's D. Yeah. So I finished the trial 2 MCs. I got a 37 out of 45, which is not bad, even though I want to be even better than that. Anyways, right now it's already 5:10. We are so off schedule. I mean, to be honest, my schedule is super tight. 5 items in one afternoon section. That's a little crazy, I know. Yeah, and I didn't really do the Chinese reading paper, past paper exercise because I didn't know what to do, because I didn't have any. I haven't finished the Chinese writing yet. It's beginning to be a running joke at this point. So yeah, I will do it now. And afterwards, I'm gonna finish up Physics 2016 and then do the mock electives. So 3 more items to go, and then I'm gonna take a rest and then go to dinner, and then we will head on over to the evening section and then the midnight section. I don't know why, but this topic is just so boring. I just can't write anything. It's 7:06. I did not complete physics. I did do I think 1.5 long questions. I'm just super tired. Also, I also haven't done the Chinese writing. I'm gonna do it after dinner. Even though I don't know if I have the time or not. But the topic is so boring. I don't even have the interest to go on. But now I'm gonna try to do the chemistry mock paper too. high speed. Two methods for making potassium chloride are shown below. Method 1 and then method 2. Alright. State which method has the greater atom economy and explain your answer. Method 1. Oh my gosh, this is such an extra way, such an excessive way to ask one simple question. Draw. Oh my gosh, you're not gonna make me draw diamond, are you? Alright, how do you. Shoot, how do you draw a diamond? I think you do this, and then you, and then you do this. Yeah, and then this, and then this, and then this. And then right here, I guess. And then like this, yeah. This is a carbon molecule. But then, oh no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Shouldn't these three all are also carbon Yeah, I feel like I should add these. Yeah, these are carbon molecules. Yeah. All right, it's 12:16 after midnight. I have completed the entire chemistry mock paper, and not only paper 1, but also paper 2. As you can see, I finished it from front to back. From front to back. Now, originally I was going to take a rest, but since I procrastinated a little bit, so I'm going to punish myself by canceling my rest session and continue on with my midnight section, and that is Chinese passages, LS, and I have to complete my Chinese writing, even if it means sacrificing time to revise LS or Chinese passages. It's 2:53 a.m. I am going to bed immediately. I am late once again, but at least I did do some LS revision, just a slight bit. Yeah. And also great announcement, because today I revised for roughly 8 hours, maybe a little less, maybe 7.5, but still that is a record breaker. I've never studied this much in one day before. Today was extremely productive, and I hope that tomorrow is just as great. So yeah. Oh god, so Jesus Christ. So fucking shiny. So originally I planned to wake up today at 7:30 or something, but yesterday, actually this morning, after I brushed my teeth, it's already around 2:50 a.m. So I was like, yo, I can't sleep this less, okay? I'm gonna die. So I set 2 alarms for myself, one in 8 o'clock and one in 8:30. But after the 8:30 one, I was still super tired, and my sloth side, is it sloth? I think it's sloth, right? Sloth side. Get the my whatever. So I got lazy and I turned off the 8:30 alarm, and so I got lazy and I turned off my 8:30 alarm, and I kept on sleeping, but I was not actually sleeping. I was half awake, half asleep for one more hour. So it was around 9:30 or 9:50 or 9:40 when I truly went out of my bed, which is a huge problem. So I decided to cancel my entire midnight section, which means that after midnight I will not study. I will not study. I will directly brush my teeth and go to bed. If I can't fall asleep, sleeping pills, okay? No more excuses. I need to sleep as early as possible. And tomorrow I will wake up at 7:30. I will try that again. And then a couple days later, I will wake up at 6:30. Today is I'm 4 days away, and then tomorrow 3 days away, and then 2 days away I'm gonna wake up on time, 6 o'clock. And then on the actual day, I'm also gonna be waking up 6 o'clock on the spot. That rhymes. And today there are not as many items to complete as yesterday. I feel like yesterday was very rushed, very packed, very condensed. I am very happy that we have studied for this much, 7.5 hours at least. And today I just did my schedule and I checked and I realized that I may break that record today. I may be able to reach 9 hours today. Even though there are less items, actually the reason why I can break 9 hours today is because I have fewer items to complete today, and so each item I can do slower, so I can sort of, reach 9 hours today. Anyways, for morning section, I want to finish Biology 2016. Might as well take some time out to do Biology 2016 electives paper. And afterwards, I will dedicate an entire hour just to correct my chemistry mock, and if possible, maths trial 2. And also later on out in the afternoon, I want to correct chemistry post mocks 4 and 6. And then I will spend some time doing post mock 7. You can tell that biology is so much more difficult and complicated than chemistry and physics, yet you feel like you almost know what's going on, but then you really don't know what's going on. Whew. Genetic diagram here. We got the parent. We got individual 1 and 2. Individual 1 is XRY. And then this is XRXR. Gamete. Wait, shouldn't this be their genotype? Yeah. Alright. This thing Y XR, and then so now it's either XRXR or XRY. Oh. Is this how you do it? X, Y, X. Huh. Alright, it's about to be 12 at noon. I have completed, finally, the Biology 2016. This essay I wrote in table form. In real life, I need to write in paragraphs, but, save time anyways. Originally I want to do Biology electives 2016, but, have I done 2015? If I have I corrected it? If not, then I guess I have to correct that first, because why not? I found my chemistry electives 2015. I got 25 out of 40. Not bad, not great. So I'm gonna do 2016 now. Yay. Alright, I finished the entirety of Biology 2016 electives. So Natalie reported that she got 96 out of 120 in chemistry post-mock 9. Well, good for her. On the other hand, I finished the mock examination, Form 6, 2020, chemistry, mock examination. For the MCs, I got a 28 out of 36, which is not terrible. Not great, not terrible. I'll take it. Up next, we have the long questions, and I got a 64 out of 84, luckily, which is also pretty good. Of course, there is room for improvement, but you know what? It's actually pretty damn great. And overall, I got a 92 out of 120, which is a 76.7%, which is pretty great. Anyways, for the afternoon section today, I will finish up Physics 2016, long questions, and then afterwards I'm going to spend quite a bit of time doing Chemistry post Mach 7. The paper that Natalie said was so easy. So I hope that I can break 80%. If I can break 80% in the DSEs, I can break it to 5-star grade, which is insane. But I'm gonna try. Natalie, Queenie, small thing. Natalie texted me saying that Queenie was gonna throw away her cosplay clothes, and Queenie asked if Pink wants it, and so I relayed the message to Pink because Natalie can't directly speak to Pink, I guess, and then Pink said, "Sure." And it's like, it's a really weird situation. But yeah, Queenie and Zane are huge JoJo fans, apparently. So, I'm late to the party. Yo, what the hell is this? Current 3 shows a possible method for measuring resistance using a voltmeter and ammeter. The internal resistances of the voltmeter and ammeter are RV and RA respectively, and their readings, VM and IM, give the measured resistance RM. The true resistance value of the resistor is R. So far so good, right? Now look at the question. State which readings, VM, IM, or both, do or does not give the true voltage across the resistor and / or the true current passing through the resistor. Hence, write down an equation relating RA, RM, and R. 2 marks. This much. So I guess I'm trying to say, okay, so VM and IM are, they are the readings. So which readings are actually wrong? Now, we're going to assume that V and A are not ideal. The voltmeters and the ammeters are not ideal, meaning that current can pass through the voltmeter and I guess there's a slight bit of resistance inside the ammeter, and I guess RM. Oh, RM is the measured resistance. So we need to relate the measured resistance, the real resistance, and the ammeter's resistance, an equation relating them all together. 2 marks. So, which readings does not give the true voltage? Give the true voltage? Oh, so I guess the voltmeter, which one of them, or maybe both of them, are lying? So, alright. So first of all, like this. So the voltmeter is supposed to check the resistance of this thing. But since current also goes through it, so V, of course, V is wrong, right? So V does not give. How about IM? If, actually, I think ammeter is right. It does give the true current passing through the resistor unless this itself has resistance, right? Which makes the current smaller. So I have finished the chemistry paper 2016, as you can see. And now I am about to print some chemistry post Mach 7. Afterwards, I will check out some LS, and if I have time, I'll do the friggin' Chinese writing. So I just corrected post Mach 4, and it's already 6 p.m. I spent so much time correcting it. MC's 23 out of 36. Not ideal. What's even worse? Long questions. 56 out of 84. And overall, it's a 79 out of 120, which is a 65.8%. Yeah, very disappointing. I mean, this thing is really, really hard. I mean, and then for the mock, it's like 70 something percent, and then this thing is 65%. Like, why? But yeah, I'm gonna do another chemistry postmark right now. That is the I haven't even corrected postmark 6. I just want to stop correcting. I want to do some. All right. And yeah, here we go. I am late in my schedule once again. I don't know if I have time to do the LS. Maybe I'll do the Chinese writing first. I don't know. I actually want to do the LS though, because LS comes second in the entire schedule. LS is the second subject, and then I am also going to do a little bit of a Chinese passages and hopefully Chinese integration exercises. If not, I can postpone it to tomorrow. It's not like I have no time tomorrow. I'm not going to leave the apartment anyways because of the whole, thing. So, yeah. Also, it's kind of hilarious. Natalie and Pink are having a conversation via me at this moment. Apparently, Queenie is about to migrate. Queenie's family is about to migrate. New Zealand, I suspect, and which is sad, but good for her. And she's giving out these cosplay costumes, and and she got 3 costumes, and then Natalie told Pink to keep 2 because Natalie wants one herself as well. And then both of them picked the same one. Both of them liked the same one, and at the end, they through me, they had an agreement. Anyways, time for some fucking chemistry. Jesus, are you fucking kidding me? How many cis-trans isomers do this molecule have? There are 3 carbon-carbon double bonds, and I have to try each one of them. So trans-trans-trans, trans-trans-cis, trans-cis-trans, cis-cis-cis, cis-trans-cis. These 2 are the same. Trans-cis-cis and cis-cis-trans are the same. Okay, so now I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's got to be 8, right? But if I can find more than 8, then it has to be 12. So now I need to brainstorm. Okay, so now I'm at 6. I need to brainstorm 2 more. So I already got TTT, TTC, and then TCT, and then TCC, as well as TTC. Yep, I already got it. And then now, if the first one is C, I got CCC, CCT, I already got it, and then CTC, and then the next one should be C. Alright, shoot. CTT. Has anyone done CT? Isn't CTT the same as this one? And then CTT, CCC. 1, 2, 3. I found 6. I found 6. It's exactly 11 p.m. and I have completed post Mach 7, motherfuckers. I'm really tired. I went through 3 phases of doing revision. 1, not focused. I just want to look at my phone. 2, being super concentrated, just doing really, really fast, and being super hyper energetic when I'm doing exam papers and studying. 3, I'm at phase 3, where I'm not even, I'm doing it in a very laid back way without being hyper energetic at all. Even though, as much as I don't want to do revision and do more exams because I'm doing 2.5 per day or something, I still kind of have to do it because it's my fate now. and I can't escape fate. But you know what? I'm gonna cancel LS and Chinese passages revision, or maybe I'll do them, but just a little bit because it's already late and I want rest. It's good for the brain. All right, so right now it's 1:30 a.m. in the morning, and I know it's already late. I don't know why, but I just really want to do this. Maybe it's because tomorrow I'm not gonna have a chance to do this because every single piece of food will somehow disappear. I don't know why. Or maybe I can do this tomorrow. I don't know, but I already have the food in front of me. So this is so fucking dumb. I have pineapple here. I was eating pineapples. Ananas. What you do is that you eat a chunk of pineapple and you drink a shot of pineapple juice, Ananassaft. You know what's cool about this pineapple juice is actually not as sweet as the pineapple itself. Also, maybe it's because I've been studying biology and chemistry so much. I don't know if I've been studying too much biology and chemistry, but I think there's some sort of chemical in pineapple cells which sort of stimulates your pain receptors on your tongue or wherever you touch it, and just stimulate a little bit and give it a bit of a tickly tingly feeling, which is not very comfortable. Maybe it's because to scare off insects or something, or actually big animals, because insects can't eat pineapples. Um, but this juice, you don't feel that tingly sense, which is really nice. Now it's already late. I want to sleep an hour early today. Yesterday I think I slept at around 3 a.m. ish. At least fell asleep. Today I'm aiming at 2 a.m. If I can't sleep, sleeping pills. There you go. But before I sleep, I promise myself to take another look. Just like any other night, I will take another look at some Chinese passages because they are important. And I have one word: memorize. If I can memorize all the important bits and pieces of all 16 of the Chinese passages, it will be in my great advantage to get a good score out of my Chinese exam. So that's basically my strategy here. And other than that, I'm gonna sleep. And I haven't done Chinese writing. It's a bit of a running joke right now. Also, originally I planned to do the Chinese integration past paper today. Didn't. Originally I wanted to do the LS notes checking out thing, but I didn't as well. I'm gonna push that all to tomorrow. And originally I didn't have that much planned for tomorrow, so I think tomorrow the schedule is kind of perfect, not too tight, not too scarce. But today we've studied for 8 hours today, roughly 8 hours again. Very impressive. I want to keep the record up, but I'm extremely tired. I've been through 3 phases of the overstudying already, overstudying mentality. Again, I've said this. First phase, you don't want to do it. Second phase, you want to do it, so much so that you're hyper energetic. Third phase, you're fatigued, you're tired, but you still got to do it. And you're being disciplined already, so you kind of can't look away anymore. I'm kind of at the third phase, but yeah, there's that.